Hey guys, I asked Victor Bart because I really need a new computer. This is so fucking slow. Let's go.
My friend Jorrit called and he has problems with his Mac computer and he wants a new computer. I don't really have time for it, but let's help him and let's build him a real PC. I cut some parts here, so let's... oh, whoop. And more here. Hey Jorrit!
Hey, what's up, Bart? How are you? Nice!
Yeah, I cut some parts for you.
Let's
but
go.
Be very careful, it can break.
Okay, let's go, let's go! Hi guys, my name is Jorrit. I'm a filmmaker. I'm creating after movies for artists like Dirt Caps. For expression. But there was one problem. The speed of my computer is so slow. So I asked Victor Bart to help me. And he's gonna build a machine.
Most of the people know me already on my channel. I'm Victor Bart. I have two YouTube channels, Dutch Video Shooter and Retro Machines. On Retro Machines I build old computers, but today I built a new computer. On Dutch Video Shooter I make videos about filmmaking, lenses, cameras. So yeah, let's go.
Let's go!
The machine.
Woo!
Before we build the motherboard into the case, I'm first gonna prepare the CPU and the memory and the cooler and test it out so we know that it is working. The motherboard is now built up, so we're gonna connect the power supply and test out if the set will work. It's working! Yes!
High five.
All the memory is detected, CPU speed is correct. So we built the system, installed Windows 10 and everything went okay. I only had to install the driver from the Samsung SSD, but everything else was installed by Windows. We already installed Premiere Pro and it is running great. Let me talk about what kind of parts we chose for this system and why. We chose an Intel 6-core i7 8700K. It is the fastest consumer CPU on the market right now, and with 6-core it's perfect for video editing and they are running at 3.7 GHz. We have 16 GB DDR4 memory, which is probably not really recommended, but the memory prices are pretty high and it's really easy to upgrade later. So you can better install 32 GB in a video editing system like this. But to save money for now, we decided to go first with 16 gigabytes. The CPU cooler is a Coolermaster Hyper 212 and it's a really nice budget CPU cooler. We installed a Samsung 970 SSD which is really fast and made a boot partition and also on that drive a partition for video editing. So we have fast booting and fast program launching, but also 300 gigabyte left for video editing, and his projects are like 50 to 100 gigabytes, so that's more than enough for now, but you can also add in later more SSDs if you need them. We choose the Asus TUF Z370 Gaming Pro motherboard, and it has really nice features and enough PCIe slots and room for NVMe SSDs, enough SATA, enough memory slots, Intel network card on board, really a decent motherboard for its price. The power supply is a Corsair RM750. It's a nice power supply with enough power for future upgrades, like maybe a faster future video card or more SSDs, more hard drives. There's enough room in the power supply to make upgrades without swapping the power supply. The hard drive is a Toshiba 4 GB running at 7200 RPM, and it is just for local storage, and for backup he has an external drive, so he will make a copy on his own machine and on his backup hard drive. And every hard drive can fail, so make always backups, so there's not one brand that is fail safe. The video card is an Asus GeForce 1070 Ti with 8 GB of memory, and it's a really fast video card with 2400 CUDA cores. The computer case is a Fractal Design Divine C, and it's a really nice smaller case, because normally you have room for CD drives here and then the cases are like this, but there are no options for optical drives in this case, so it's not that deep. And here under is a nice cover for the power supply. You can install 2 hard drives here, 3 SSDs on the back, and really good cable management options. Very good cooling options, because you have a fan here, you can install 3 fans here and in the top. For this setup like this with the monitor, keyboard, mouse and the build itself, we paid 1900 euros. And for its price, it is like the best balance in price performance, because you can have a faster CPU and more memory, but then the cost will adding up a lot. We will put a list of all the parts in the description, so you can search for it in your local shop if you want to build a machine like this.
I'm glad that Victor Bart helped me with all the stuff, and yeah, it's really nice to see that I have a fast Windows machine. I was Apple, but yeah, I love that the speed and everything. Thanks, man.
Yeah, nice.
Like, subscribe, thumbs up, comment, and if you ever want a PC build, yeah, check the list.
Check the list in the description. And if you have questions about building your own editing machine, leave them in the comments. And maybe I answer them, or other people will answer them, and we have a nice discussion on them.
Yeah, thanks, man. See you soon.